Well, since the deck was taken down, this is our temporary railing now. So we're gonna make it where it's actually right. And I'll show you a different angle. We're going to make this right. Now that we've got everything down, we marked right here where the 4x4 is gonna go through and get lag bolted. So yeah, let's get to work. Well, we're making progress. So I'll show you guys where we're at. And basically I'm doing this whole thing out of scrap lumber. So we'll see. We're gonna go ahead and fasten this 2x6 to the top here. Here we go. Here goes nothing. Lost the screw to the screw gods. Pretty sturdy. Yeah, she's pretty sturdy. It'll be real sturdy once I get the lugs in. Or lags. Whatever you call them. Lugs, lags, whatever. So right now, we got a 2x4 here. A 2x4 there. 2x4 mounted to the logs, and I got a 4x4 here that I'm gonna lag. Right now I just got it temped with 4 screws. I don't have the lags, so I'm gonna have to run to the local Ace or Home Depot or whatever and pick one up. So basically this isn't costing me anything to remake this rail. I'm just using it from the leftover scraps that we had. The measurement to the top of the 2x4 is 36 inches. So to the top one, and then I'm gonna put slats in there with 2x4s, and those will measure out at 4-inch spacing. Wow, words are really hard today. So it'll be within code, so that way it's legal. So let's get back to it, and I'll show you some guys. We're gonna cut to a time lapse. So I'm cutting these boards at 35 inches. The reason why is because it gives me a little play up and down, and I can adjust them as I need to. So they don't have to be exact. They're hidden, they're on the back side. So we're just getting them cut. Well, folks, guess what? I'm done. Yes, I know the handrail is lower. It was like that when we bought it, and I'll fix it. I just needed the safety for the little one to make sure she's okay. So here's to another day of living out here. If you like this kind of content, guess what? There's gonna be right here coming up some videos that I've done with some little DIY things. Check them out, see what you think. If you like it, hit that subscribe button. Thank you.